So, how to install MIUI on your Redmi Note 5 Pro when you have official TWRP recovery installed? This is the question I was getting more often than not. Hey, what's happening guys? You are watching Career Tech and this is Tito back with another video. So, if you want to know more about what's new in MIUI 9.5.6.0, which is based on Android 8.1, here is a card for you. Watch that video. I already did a video on that MIUI, and today I'll be showing you how to flash this ROM. So without further ado, let's make it happen. All the important download links will be listed in the description box below, so do not worry. As you can see, I am on Resurrection Remix ROM 8.1. So I will be going back to MIUI because I will be going to the service center to fix my headphone jack, and I will inform you guys later that what happened there. So do follow me on Twitter, and if you haven't yet, go ahead and subscribe. Hit that red subscribe button and make sure you are flashing this 8.1 based MIUI, otherwise your VoLTE might not work in some custom ROMs like Resurrection Remix or even newer custom ROMs. As you can see, I am booted up in latest official TWRP 3.2.1/0, and well, how to flash this recovery? Well, card for that will be popping out from the top right corner of the screen and read description of that particular video. Now go to wipe, then advanced wipe. Now check cache, Dalvik cache, system and data as usual. Now go back, go to install. Now locate the ROM zip file and Lazy Flasher zip file. Select both of them. The order of flashing here is first the ROM file, second the Lazy Flasher zip file. So once the flashing is done, just hit reboot system. You will see this no OS installed warning. Do not worry, it's actually not like that. So just swipe to reboot. And as you can see, we are in the setup wizard of MIUI, and yeah, you can now restore native Android app data backups. As you can see, I restored the backup and I even have this wallpaper already, which I had on Resurrection Remix ROM. This wallpaper is from an app which will be linked in the description box below too. Let me just show you the about section again. And if you are wondering if my storage is encrypted now or not, well, let me just again boot into recovery from here to show you guys if TWRP recovery is still there or not. As you can see, TWRP recovery is here, working fine and dandy. In install, the storage shows properly, so nope, the internal storage did not encrypt itself, so that's pretty much it. So now you can install MIUI with TWRP without having any problems. So there you have it. So that wraps up this video guys. Thank you so much for watching. Hit the big thumbs up button if you liked this tutorial and subscribe to the channel right here if this video helped you in some way. This has been Tito from Career Tech and I am signing off for today, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye now.